Hello everybody, welcome to Pepperina's World. I know my hair is crazy, got these little knots, but like, yeah, I was blow drying my hair, getting ready to straighten it because we're going out of town. But anywho, this is not what the video is about. It's about this roof bag that I purchased, so let me show you guys. So I purchased this roof bag that goes on top of your car if you have a small car and you're trying to go out of town, or let's just say you just don't have enough room. Even if you're in a big old Escalade or whatever, they sell some of these that are bigger. I don't know if y'all can see this, but anywho, I bought this from roofbag.com. Right now I'm testing it out. So we got one, that one right there, that's my bag, my mom's bag. My husband has two little bags, and our son, well, that's my husband's tennis shoes. And our son has his little monster luggage suitcase. Well, luggage. But anyway, so we were able to fit 5 bags in here, plus this drawstring bag, plus these tennis shoes in a plastic bag. It looks like more stuff could possibly fit in here, but right now I'm just testing it out to see how we're gonna work it out, because there's no way we're gonna be able to just carry this outside. At least I don't think we could, but I'll show you what it looks like on top of the car. And I did purchase, let me see, 2 straps come with it. And here's the little opening. Let me see. Yeah, right here. To slide the straps through in order to tie it to your car. There's supposed to be, yeah, there's 2 more on the opposite side. And here it is, roof bag, car top carriers, and that's the way we're gonna strap it through. Because the stupid railing on my mom's car, the way it's set up, it doesn't have loops. I mean, it doesn't have an opening in the bar. So it was really hard when I had purchased one of those roof racks. And I did purchase the mat, so we're gonna put that on there. Which, here's the mat right here with the holes to breathe. So we gotta put that, then put the bag, and then of course zip it, all that good stuff. They're showing how they did it. Zip it up, and then how to put the straps. Wow. Yeah.
Are you sure you want to do this? Yes, I'm positive. I mean, I love that you're trying to help.
Oh, can we do it like that?
Because there's a lot going on in the world, and this is how I can help. So,
Is that right? I didn't know you could crisscross it. But you know what? My extra straps are my crisscross. So yeah. Those are the different methods. But you know what? I don't know. Let me go ahead and cut this off, and then I'll come back with it attached to our car. Okay, so we have the bag up there. We put the luggage in. We haven't closed it or tied it down. So yeah, trying to make it work and try to beat this rain, because it's been raining all day. Okay guys, we got these straps strapped down. on the inside. Come around. I made a little light knot in the front too. I attached it to the little handle. I probably should have did this one. Is there a handlebar? Yeah, there is. Did it like that. My son's probably gonna be playing with that. That's the bad thing. Here it is. Hopefully no rain gets in here, because that would suck. It's been raining like crazy. Shit. Why is it? Okay, maybe it closed a little bit better. And we put the lock on it. Yes, I woke up like this. But anyway, I just want to talk about the roof bag real quick. You can get it at roofbag.com. Overall, I give the bag an A, because in Texas, it has been raining like crazy. And the night that we put the bags out there, it was raining like crazy. Cats and dogs, whales, fish, everything was coming down. So, our luggage did not get wet. Also, when we were traveling to Arkansas, it was raining really hard. It was windy. The bag didn't move. It was awesome. And our luggage did not get wet. But we did have water coming in, seeping in through that little gap that I showed you guys. That it wasn't completely sealed, since it was like flipped down a little bit because of the strap. But other than that, the luggage was awesome. Our luggage stayed in place. Nothing got wet, and that's because it was raining like crazy. I wish I would have recorded all the rain, but I didn't. But anyway, I hope you like my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Bye.